All right, let's take a look at a problem where we're asked to find the y value given an x value. And say, sometimes you're asked to graph problems like this. But if I have y equals the square root of x plus 5, and they give me, say, 4x values, 5x values, and say find y. All I'm doing is plugging in this value, 0 for x, square root of 0 plus 5 equals 0 plus 5 equals 5. So for x equals 0, I get 5. Put a 1 in for x. I get the square root of 1, which is 1, plus 5 is 6. Next one, square root of 2. If I put 2 in for x, the square root of 2 is 1.1414. So 1.1414 plus 5 is 6.1414, whatever it is there. Next, if I put a 3 in for x, the square root of 3 is 1.732. So 1.732 plus 5 is 6.732. You need a calculator to do these, but they're really simple calculations. Most handheld calculators, just about all of them, have a square root. So you just put in like 2 square root plus 5, and you would get 6.1414. You could round it to 3 decimal places and be in good shape. Now for x equals 4, you would have the square root of 4, which is 2, plus 5 is 7. Now, what do all these mean? These are ordered pairs. So if I wanted to graph these, if you'll remember in I think it was in the last week when we had to graph some ordered pairs, where you can also use this function and graph it with a function plotter. But these are ordered pairs. In other words, 0, 5, I could plot that point. 1, 6, 2, 6.141, 3, 6.732, and 4, 7. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points that I could graph and see what this equation looks like. So it's pretty easy thing to do. Again, it's a plug in the x and find what the y would be.